Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Khalis, or at least as far as I can tell, because on the box it doesn't say Khalis, but when I bought it the seller was advertising it as a Khalis. Khalis is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates. They have superbly extensive lineup, humongous, hundreds and hundreds of perfume in their lineup, and I unboxed and reviewed at least a couple of their fragrances before, and for the price, again, they are very impressive. So this one in particular is called Luxury Bunch of Flower Eau de Parfum, 100 ml. As I said, it on the box doesn't say Khalis, but the seller says it's Khalis. I'll take his word for it. And this one in United Kingdom you can find it under £20. It's aimed at unisex, so it's basically in the middle of the road. And let's see how it goes. But before I do the unboxing and give you my first impression, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you encourage me, you help me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Your help, your encouragement will take this channel a long way, and I appreciate that very much. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances, they are out of this world. They are 100% natural, amazing value for money, beast mode, ultra beast mode, super artistic, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the links as well. Okay guys, let's go. So beautiful box, very simplistic but quite nice. It is quite European looking box. Usually with United Arab Emirates or Middle Eastern fragrances, you usually have very over-the-top extravaganza of the box, but this one is quite simple, which is quite nice. Sorry about the noise. So as you can see, it's quite nice. Okay, and the bottle itself is a gorgeous one. Wow, look at that. The box itself is quite a good quality, again for under £20. And look at the bottle. The bottle is gorgeous. Look at this, super heavy bottle. It's about 1 kilo of bottle. It's quite it's all black. The cap is golden with this tassel. The cap is plastic, and the atomizer is golden as well. Luxury collection, bunch of flower, eau de parfum, and here we go. The spray is okay, not bad, but it's not the greatest. It does the job. Okay, so bunch of flower, luxury collection, eau de parfum 100 ml by Khalis. How is the smell? First sniff, first impression. Here we go. Oh, yes. What a good description. Bunch of flowers. Oh, bunch of flower. Wow. It's like a bouquet of flower. Amazing. Wow. Beautiful. Under £20. This smells gorgeous. Smells much more expensive than under £20. Super floral. As he says, bunch of flower. It is very floral. So it's super dimensional, it's very floral. I can smell so many flowers. I can definitely smell carnation. I can smell jasmine. I can smell lily of the valley. I can smell a little bit of rose in here. Very good description for it. Hint of spice, just to give it a little bit of kick to it. It's not a big on the spice, but it's a hint of it. It's just giving it that interesting dimension, the kick to the flowers, because the florals are quite soft. So this one giving it that kick and making it a little bit on the more, not rugged, but a little bit more pronounced. Oh, definitely super citrusy. So the citrus here is definitely bergamot, definitely lemon, definitely grapefruit, maybe even lime. Super, it's like a combination of, it's like a basket of citrus fruits, and you're just peeling those citruses and you're smelling it. Oh, and me. So super floral, super citrusy, and a hint of or a tinge or a hint of spice to just giving it a kick. Okay, it's a bit green, and I can smell something like a fig in here. So it is figgy. Is that my imagination? Because it could be a combination of so many things. It makes it giving it that impression of fig, but definitely I can smell green, herbal, and also fruity, and the fruit here is like a fig, definitely fig. I can smell it. Yes, it could be in something else, but I can, at least in my mind at the moment, is fig. Quite watery, but the water here is, it's not salty, it's nothing like that, just giving it that aspect of, it's like a bunch of flowers sitting in a vase with the water in there, or at least if you have a water fountain and there are some flowers around it, something like that. It's not a big player, it's a small player, but you can detect it, you can feel it, which again, it adds another dimension to it, which is, wow, what a smell. Yeah, definitely green. Like, apart from the fruits and the citruses and the floral, it's got an aspect of greenness to it. The greenness here is like, it's not a woody green, but it's like a grassy green. So it is quite grassy, it's quite leafy. What else? There's a bit of earthiness to it. Again, not much. It's just a hint of earthiness to making it more interesting. Again, it's like a bunch of flowers in a garden, and you've got a water fountain around it, and there's a grass, some leafy bushes, and also trees, and the trees are giving that leafiness, or it's a bit of camphorous leafy feel to it as well. Overall, goodness me, what a beauty. Definitely unisex, but it leans a little bit feminine, little bit, 60 to 40 I would say, because again, it's big on the florals, although it's a citrus heavy, is very floral. It's a hint of spice into it. The spice is like a cinnamon. Sorry. It's not cinnamon. It's like a cumin, or is it something else? It's like a cumin, but it's like a herbal tinge to it as well. So I'm saying, yeah, let's say a hint of cumin, and also other herbal aspect. Maybe there's rosemary in here, maybe there's a coriander in here to give it that herbal but spicy herbal feel. Okay, so the story of first impression, first sniff, beauty in a bottle. If you like what I described, first thing first, huge on the florals, obviously it says bunch of flower. Second, huge on the citrus at the moment, at least for the first and the first impression. Quite fruity, and the fruit here is on the green side, so I'm smelling something like a fig, maybe even a green apple, and also a little bit earthiness, grassy feel, leafy feel, watery feel, but the water is here, it's like a fresh water, not salty water or anything like that. So overall, very well done and superbly gorgeous. But you need to like your florals, because the florals are big in here. So that's the biggest player. First thing first it hits is the florals. Definitely jasmine, definitely lily of the valley, definitely carnation, because it's on the green side or white floral side. It leans more heavier towards the white and green floral rather than pink and red floral. I can smell some rose in here as well, but the rose is not as strong as the green florals or the white florals. So the white florals are a little bit heavier here. Wow, beauty in a bottle. If you like this kind of fragrances, this is beauty. It smells quite dense and strong, so you can use it all year round. It's got freshness to it. Obviously you can use it in summer as well, so it's all year round. In summer less sprays, in winter more. In terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, because again it's heavy on the floral and it's quite particular taste. If you are a lady, most likely you like this, but if you are a man, you need to know what you're buying, because potentially it could, you know, be too much for some people in terms of floral in here. But I'm absolutely loving it. Beauty. I smell something like a lime as well. So anyway, so it's quite complex. In terms of occasion, definitely going out, opulent, evening, formal, special occasion and things like that, because this is a beauty in a bottle and it's well done. It's so balanced, at least for the first impression. If it lasts a good amount of time, we have a beautiful banger on our hand, and I will let you know in the next video. If you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. Don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to make videos like this in future. If you want to buy one of my own fragrances that are out of this world, they are super artistic, ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, but you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.